If you ever considered a luxury crossover, chances are you've looked at the Lexus RX. Not only is it one of the most popular, it was also one of the very first when it was introduced back in 1998. For 2023, Lexus has given the RX a major overhaul, with new technology, powertrains, and styling. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a complete look right now. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, research Lexus, and then select RX. We make it easy to find what you want fast. To create the 2023 RX Luxury Crossover, Lexus started with a brand new modern platform that is not only lighter, it's also more rigid than the outgoing model. Inside, the cabin is flush in high-quality leathers, metals, and synthetics. Drivers also have access to advanced technology like the available voice-activated 14-inch navigation touchscreen, and all trims now get Lexus Safety System 3.0, which brings adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot warning, collision mitigation for both vehicles and pedestrians, rear cross traffic alerts, and a lot more to the table. At launch, Lexus will offer a solid lineup of available powertrains. The base RX 350 comes standard with front-wheel drive and a turbocharged four-cylinder that produces up to 275 horsepower, with an EPA rating of 22 miles to the gallon in the city and 29 on the highway. All-wheel drive and F-Sport packages are also available. Next is the RX 350h. Available only with all-wheel drive, it matches a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder along with electric motors for a system that produces up to 246 horsepower. It gets an EPA rating of up to 37 miles to the gallon in town and 34 on the highway. Then there's the RX 500h F-Sport. This combines both a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with a hybrid powertrain for a whopping 366 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Even though this is a performance variant with available adaptive suspension, it still manages to get an excellent EPA rating of up to 27 miles to the gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. The 500h F-Sport comes standard with the new Direct 4 all-wheel drive system. This not only sends power to all four wheels, it also has the ability to steer all four wheels, making this one of the most maneuverable crossovers we've ever driven. And with the trail mode, you can even venture beyond the paved road. Interiors are high quality across the lineup with new materials that are soft to the touch and also look great to the eyes. The star of the cabin is the available 14-inch infotainment system. With it, you can navigate to the nearest coffee shop by simply asking, "Hey Lexus." You can also change vehicle settings in addition to integrating mobile devices through either cable connections or Wi-Fi. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported. For driving, we sampled the performance-oriented RX 500h with Direct 4 all-wheel drive and 21-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires. This one is a lot of fun, with plenty of power for brisk freeway on-ramps. On twisty back roads, the adaptive suspension quickly modifies damping force with near-instant adjustments, giving it a solid and confident track through the turns. Throughout our long day of driving, the seats were comfortable and all controls fell nicely to hand. This is a very nice ride that we would welcome for any cross-country road trip. Then there's the design. Compared to the massive spindle of previous generations, the look here is a little bit more refined and sophisticated, with clean lines that flow across the edge of the vehicle and terminate nicely in the back. Overall, if you're looking for a luxury crossover that is thoroughly modern, we can easily recommend the new Lexus RX lineup. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all options from Lexus. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation affiliated Lexus dealer today.